I think we benefit, myself and many others, living in a beautiful world. But I realize that world is not beautiful for all people. And it won't be beautiful for all people in the future if we continue with climate change as we do today. If you live in a world that fails, you cannot be successful, nor even call yourself successful, because you have a responsibility as well for the rest of the world. I think that companies should contribute to the global issues in their core business, not on the side with all kinds of CSR projects, but in the core of their capabilities, the core of their competences, the core of their business. The economy never developed or has not been growing with the goal of making money. The economy ever started by barter trade. You specialize in this, you're better in catching buffaloes and the other in growing crops, and then we exchange, and then many people joined the exchange as a means, but not as a goal. So making money is a means to distribute the competences. And thinking about that, companies in the heart of the economy should not have the goal of making money, but should have the goal of contributing to a better society. I was growing up with Milton Friedman. It's all about shareholders' value. Or Jack Welch as a celebrity CEO, shareholders' value. Or in the Netherlands, corporate governance, Commission Tabaksblad. Shareholders should have the power. And I was asking myself, really? Is it all about shareholders' value? Let's go back to the start of the economy. It's not true. We have been derailing a little bit over the last decades that making money is a goal. No, making money is a tool of distributing the strengths, the competences of all people in the world so that all people of the world can live happily. And therefore, business need to realize that they have a purpose, that they have an obligation to contribute to those issues as well.